Hello everyone, this is Dr. Narmada, a counseling psychologist. I am going to share my views about how a woman can make herself happy all the time, at the same time mentally and physically healthy too. This is very important for all of us, right? Because we see woman is the backbone for every family. She keeps on doing things for elders, for her spouse, for children, and whoever is there at home, she's taking care of everyone. And she, from the morning itself, she keeps on working, doing several things like cooking, washing, taking care of all the household chores, and of course going to the office also, and then coming back, preparing for the night dinner, taking care of the children at home, taking care of the elders, purchasing items that are needed for the home. See, the list is endless, right? By keeping herself too busy, it is actually a part that is very good. But there is a problem that she forgets about what makes her happy. By the time her children grow up, they enter into college, they leave the home. So suddenly this woman feels very lonely. She feels that her help is not at all needed for anyone. So at that time she asks, questioning herself, like, what I have been doing all these years? Who am I actually? Have I wasted my life, entire life? What am I doing? Is there any identity for me? These are all the questions that keep on lingering her mind, and sometimes she gets upset too. But all these feelings, inner feelings, they go unnoticed. After some time, she feels very bad about herself. She loses some confidence. She feels desperate, and these things combined together, we call it as emptiness syndrome. So at that time, she feels slightly depressed too. So most of the women, especially who are homemakers, by doing chores for everyone else, she forgets about her own happiness and needs. That is why this happens. So how to prevent this? That is very important, right? See, doing everything for others is very important. At the same time, taking care of her own self is equally important. That thing every woman should remember, right? So she has to keep some, we call it as me time. See, for example, maybe half an hour or 1 hour per day, the same time. See, she can engage herself in doing whatever she likes apart from the daily routine course. So it may be like painting, drawing, or so doing some gardening, preparing some flowers, whatever it may be. Maybe she can focus on her improving her health also, like doing meditation or yoga for half an hour a day. Plus this me time too. This combination, it helps a lot to improve her mental as well as physical health. And if she keeps on doing these things, see, definitely her confidence improves, because when she keeps on repeating doing the same thing every day, her skills on that task, it also becomes better and better. So it gives her some sense of satisfaction also. So all these things make her a healthy and better woman. So this is very important for women, that doing for others is important and taking care of self is also equally important. Thank you.